This is an exciting day.
Camera Girl is going to take her first ride on her new motorcycle. You're a beginning rider. You've only ridden about 10 times in your entire life.
Probably.
And most of those times are on YouTube. But hopefully this will be so perfect that you won't want to get off. It's ideal in a lot of ways, except that the engine makes a lot of power and it does it in a ruthless way. So you need to be ready for it. It's a law of the universe that the more specialized something is for one thing, it's at the expense of versatility. This thing is built to make a lot of power, but it comes on hard and it comes on fast. So you've got a couple options here. You can either cower or you can try to tame this beast. Another law of nature is that the greater the challenge, the greater the reward. You look like you're ready. Do you feel ready?
I feel as ready as I'm going to feel.
The configuration here is I tried to scrape a nice little oval track around this property yesterday, but it's been so wet that instead of smoothing out the dirt, I created ruts and mud puddles. So you've got some obstacles to work with. I don't mean to scare you about the engine. It's definitely usable. It's just not as easy as one of those trail bikes that we talked about in the last video.
Okay.
Oh, and Jen.
Huh.
You can do it.
Okay.
First kick. Okay. Pull in the clutch. Click down once on the lever. That's your gears there. Down once. Give it a little bit of gas and slowly let out the clutch. If you feel like the engine's going to die, give it a little bit more gas as you let out the clutch.
Okay.
And just be really smooth. A little bit of gas, a little bit of clutch.
Oops.
A little bit more gas.
A little more than that.
Yeah. Around the corner. Down through the unintentional mud bogs.
Did you?
Are you okay?
Yeah.
How do you feel? Your first crash?
Well, that's done. I can't crash the first time, the second time.
Right into the fence like a boss. You ready to hang it up and go home or go around again?
No, I'll try again. I'm gonna try to avoid that puddle this time.
Here we go. Try again. That was a lot better. Much smoother.
It's really muddy and slippery, and I think that's why I slipped the first time.
There we go, around the corner.
Also, I don't have good control yet.
Through the mud bog again.
It just takes off like with a little touch.
Here we go, the corner of doom. Get it?
It's really slippery.
So now I know what the goal is today. You need to get around this track one time.
I think I could do it if it wasn't so slippery. I think once I hit that mud and grass, my back end slips out. That's an embarrassing problem.
A little more gas. Looking good there. Around the corner. Down straight into the swamp. You'll get it this time. Oh!
All right. Okay, so I made it the first time. Let's see if I can do it again. I'm probably gonna stay in first gear today. Oh! Here we go again.
You're gonna have to give it a lot of gas this time because you're coming uphill.
Yes, I know that.
You'll get it though.
Can I do it? We'll see.
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, smooth. Smooth.
Oh, there I go again.
That,
Oh, it doesn't count!
it doesn't
Still
count.
going.
You're still up.
And then a huge rut. Okay. Oh.
That's a big rut. You're gonna have to really give it some goose to get out of there.
Oh, goodness me.
Back up a little bit out of there. Should I help?
No.
That's soft. There you go. Okay, so like those videos you were watching, you need to pick your line here. Do you go here
That's not a good way to go.
or up here at higher ground? Take the higher ground.
I always take the higher ground. Oh,
Almost. Good job.
oh. Who made this track?
I can see the concentration in your eyes.
That's fear. Just go for it. No place for cowards here.
Lots of gas.
I'm gonna do it this time. Ha-ha! Woo! I can feel my end sliding out. I go like that. Oh,
There's that touchy corner. Back up around. Through the fast straightaway. That's a lap.
okay, so I can go around the track in first. I'm sure that there's a lot of people out there who could do this a lot better than me, but I'm still working on my skills.
There she is. Come on, gas, gas, gas.
I came back.
You came back. You want to call it good?
I'd rather come when it's not so muddy.
How's your confidence?
It's low. It's low. I don't think I did that good.
I'm so proud of you for doing that and for letting them see. And I will admit that this may not have been the perfect choice, but will you work on it?
Yeah.
Good thing. We got parts today.
Thanks for watching.